guys, so we're on Ryder's corner, and it's a Nerf.
Hey, you need to point it at you. Point it at you, dude. Look, you need to point it at you.
So, it's a Nerf war, and this is Ryder's corner, so let's get straight into the video. Okay, guys? Okay, let's go right now.
Now
we're here. Where are you going? Hi. Oh gee, you got the boom, you got the sugar fire. You guys, you passed something.
Hey, you need to be filming this.
I am. Where did he go? Where did he go? Where did he go? Where did he go? Bam! He got 2 guns. Will he surrender?
Hey, dude.
Well, he surrendered. Who's gonna surrender first? Caleb or Ryder? The owner of Ryder's Corner. Right there, Ryder. Look. What do you think looks brazen? That one? Or, wait, where did he go? Or, where is he? Or this one? That one or that one? Who's braver? That one or that one? Who's gonna win? It's Mr. Roji. Whoa. It's first to surrender.
First to surrender.
Guys, Caleb, don't forget that there's sloop juice.
I'm on timeout.
There's
I'm on
sloop
timeout.
juice.
Sorry.
Where is he going?
Where did you have those cups?
Get this. He has a sharp juice. Is he gonna win? Or is he gonna win? Who is gonna win? That one? That one.
Okay, that was my victory. Ow! Dude! Sorry. Take his gun. Yeah. Are you okay? Yeah. Ah, that just hurts bad.
Will he surrender?
Make sure you don't shoot too close, okay?
Is he
Times.
gonna surrender?
Times.
Is he gonna surrender?
Ah.
He's on times.
The eagle headshot thing, don't you? No, you hit me in the eye. I know, technically a headshot. You hit me in the head earlier.
No, but you hit me in the eye.
Sorry.
Everything's blurry right now.
Blurry?
Are you gonna be alive, Sergeant?
One eye is normal and one eye I just see blur.
So half blur, half normal. Wow. But would he surrender? Is he gonna surrender? Oh, he's not surrendering.
Oh, you gotta sit on top. I got Deagle still.
Who wants him to know where the scar is? Who wants the scar? Okay. Well, first one to see the hint wins. It's too late, Ryder. You're dead. He has the scar.
No!
He has the scar.
Wait,
Will he run or will he be a
Where's
man?
my inventory?
Will he be a man or will he be a scaredy cat? Is he gonna be a man or a scaredy cat? What is he gonna be? A scaredy cat or a man? Scaredy cat or a man? He's a scaredy cat because he's running. Oh yeah, get the ammo. Good job. You buy something. You buy something. You buy something. Should I give you your second to last hint? Oh, nope.
Dude, I'm on my safe zone, FYI.
What?
I'm on my safe zone, FYI. Your safe zone is over there. Still on my safe zone. Looking for shelter. Cover.
I
You
hided
can't shoot me in your
something.
safe zone, though. What? You can't shoot me in your safe zone.
I know.
Yeah, but you can make, there's nothing in that drawer. It's only in that drawer. That's a
You
hint.
can't give away this.
It's a hint. You have 3 hints.
Ammo. I'm still on my safe zone.
Hi.
That's it again? Where's that?
Hey, you were in the on, dude.
Where's the safe zone with another 10 pack of ammo? Hold on, something is not. Retrieving ammo. Retrieving more ammo. And safe zone. Okay. This is a tough one. But I will win. I will win.
You think you're gonna get the victory?
Yes. I already made him cry. Wait, that's my deagle. That's my deagle. Hold on. Time out. Time out.
You're what?
Time out. I took my deagle. Hey. Hey. Nash. 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 Nash.
You have to let Nash have a different gun.
Nash.
Well, I don't need this
Unpause. Hey!
Dead win. Guys, it's a dead win. So now I attack. Actually, no. Whoa! Where are you going?
Hey, you can't attack.
Yeah, I know, I'm not.
Sit down.
Where are you going? Doggy.
Hey, how long is the video?
11 minutes and 9
Hey, you have
seconds.
to stop it.
Okay, bye guys.